Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make vegan shepherd's pie. So let's get started. First of all, I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are, for the filling, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 celery sticks, thinly sliced, 1 medium leek, cut into roughly 5 mm, 1/4 of an inch slices, 250 grams, 9 ounces chestnut mushrooms, sliced or halved, depending on size, 1 medium courgette, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, 2 carrots, chopped, 400 grams tin chopped tomatoes, 2 by 400 grams tins lentils, drained and rinsed, 100 milliliters, 3½ fluid ounces red wine, vegan-friendly, or water, 2 tablespoons tomato puree, 2 tablespoons yeast extract, such as Marmite, 1 teaspoon dried mixed herbs, 1 vegetable stock cube, sea salt and ground black pepper. For the mash, 1 kilogram, 2 pounds 4 ounces flory potatoes, ideally Maris Piper, peeled and cut into roughly 5 centimeters, 2 inches chunks. 100 milliliters, 3½ fluid ounces plant-based milk, such as almond or soya. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast flakes. Now the method is: Step 1. To make the filling, heat the oil in a large, wide-based non-stick saucepan or sauté pan and gently fry the onion, celery and leek for 5 minutes, stirring regularly. Add the mushrooms and courgette and cook for a further 5 minutes, or until softened and lightly browned. Stir in the garlic and cook for a few seconds more. Step 2. Add the carrots, tomatoes, drained lentils, 300 milliliters, 10 fluid ounces water, wine, or extra water, tomato puree, yeast extract, mixed herbs and crumbled stock cube. Season with salt and pepper and bring to a gentle simmer. Step 3. Cook for 30 minutes, or until thick. Stir occasionally at the beginning and more regularly towards the end of the cooking time so that it doesn't stick. Add a little extra water if necessary. It should look nice and saucy, but thick enough to support the weight of the potatoes. Adjust the seasoning to taste, making sure you are generous with the black pepper. Step 4. While the vegetables are simmering, make the mash. Put the potatoes in a large saucepan and cover with cold water. Bring to the boil, then reduce the heat slightly and cook for 15 minutes or until very soft. Step 5. Preheat the oven to 200°C, 180°C fan, gas 6. Step 6. Drain the potatoes in a colander, then return to the pan and mash with the almond milk, oil and nutritional yeast. Add a little more milk if necessary, so that the potatoes are really light and fluffy. Season with salt and pepper. Step 7. Pour the lentil mixture carefully into a 2.5-liter, 4½ pints oven-proof dish. A lasagna dish is ideal. Spoon the potatoes gently onto the filling and fluff up the surface with the back of a spoon. Step 8. Bake for 30 minutes, or until pale golden brown and bubbling. If the topping doesn't go brown enough, pop under a hot grill for a couple of minutes. Serve hot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.